Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are unboxing the Volkano Forge series bicycle and motorcycle phone mount. Check it out. So, if you've checked the previous unboxing of the Volkano phone mount that we did, check the card in the corner, you can check out that video, hop back and then watch this video of the new phone mount. This is the old mount that we unboxed. It's a great mount and we loved it and it worked fantastically, except it has a few issues like the rubbers on the ends. As you can see, if you can get a close up there, it perishes in the sunlight, and the elastic that holds your phone when you put it in, so it's just a bit of that extra safety. After a while it gets worn out and it's floppy and it no longer holds your phone properly. So we're going to open up the new one and then we're going to have a look at this one. Okay, so if we have a quick look at the packaging, we can see here that the mount is made from aluminium, and it holds phones from 3.5 to 6.2 inches. I suppose this includes obviously phone width from 55 millimeters to 100 millimeters, includes full mounting. Tighten it back up, which I must say is not as good as the original one that we had. Here it is, which has got like a plastic pivot mount inside here, which you can turn it so you don't have to loosen it, which is quite nice. And now this one, if your phone's in the way, you have to get the Allen key out and turn it. And also, I see they make it quite difficult for you. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. No. Anyway, there's a little pin inside of the screw here. And the Allen key they give you has got a specific little hole inside of it. So you have to use this Allen key if you want to loosen this screw. we are done. It took a little bit of fiddling getting that bracket to fit around the handlebar. Yeah, to make a little rubber ourselves, get it to get nice and snug. But that wasn't too much of an issue, as well as the instructions, a little bit vague, but also not too hard to figure out how it fits together. All in all, it's a lot more durable, a lot more sturdy than the old one. It should work quite well. The only thing is that you can't rotate it like the old one, but it is quite out of the way, and it fits quite nicely. So we'll use it and see how it goes. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and then I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.